You are never gonna guess what just happened. My fuel light's on.
Should I go up that road?
Ah, do it. Okay. Fucking do it. Just real quick.
Okay.
Don't get stuck.
Oh my god.
Because we're gonna have to take the Lamborghinis out of here if you do. Like a motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Should be looking like Niagara Falls.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck, holy fuck.
Down the end of the rainbow.
I wonder how big this ticket's gonna be. Nice.
Okay. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Why did I wear Crocs?
Holy shit! I can't tell. I fucking can't see the face. Absolutely fucking fantastic. Wow. Side road.
Damn.
Look at it.
Damn. Okay.
Oh, this is a good view right here. Damn. She's a bigot. Wow. Bro, it's bro. Look, I can see.
Did you see that?
Yeah, dude, that puckered my butthole.
Oh. This is gonna be a good fucking little hiking lap.
I wonder what it'll look like on my phone.
We are not very far away from having to fucking jet.
I know. Cloud lowering right here in front of us twice. Oh, look at that rotation. Holy shit. Drive forward. Go this way.
Go forward.
We're not safe, bro.
Oh, let it rip, Tater Chip.
Driven in blizzards that were less sketchy than this. Holy Christ.
I'm not too sure where the road is.
Where the road at? The road at? There it be.
I have to turn on my fog lights and off my headlights.
Good. So just keep your eyes peeled.
For what? I can't see shit.
I can't lie because he probably was watching my Twitter. So, I mean, I didn't tweet anything today. I was like pretty silent, but I didn't write like anything like location wise. I didn't post nothing, I don't think. Is this? Yeah, look at this nice gas station. Nice and bright. Is this it? Is this the road? Right here? Yeah. Okay. The party store. Bro! I swear to God! Go!
Here we go.
Come on, come down.
There's gonna be two of them. Look. there's one
Holy
right there.
fucking shit!
Look at how big that funnel is.
Oh my God!
There we go. It's reaching down. Look. It's trying.
Oh, buddy!
Oh my Lord.
Oh my God!
Come on, drop right here this way, please.
Holy shit!
I'm getting it on video.
Yeah, we're getting out of here, but look at
Oh, buddy.
this. Oh my God, babe.
Oh my god, oh my god. Maybe we shouldn't go here. Let's go somewhere else. Bro.
Do you want to head south?
Yeah.
Let's go then. Go this way. Turn right.
Okay.
Oh my god. Dude, it is right here in my window. Like, I wish you could. Like, watch on the lightning. You could. It's right here. I don't want to roll up my window. We are right under. Go. No. This is insane. I want to oh my goodness. I want to record it. It's raining and my phone is getting soaked. Dude. Why are we like this? Oh my god. It just got so calm. Shit. The fucking shit is right above my head.
Well, look at it.
I don't want to.
I don't want to. What is that?
That's... Dude, there is some crazy rotation above us.
And shit.
Is that what you run and shit? Yeah, I'm gonna do a running shit.
Running shit.
Bet. Holy shit, we are so close to life. We've been in so many sketchy.
Alright. South, south, south. My leg! My phone just crashed. Like legit just crashed.
My pants are falling down.
Yes. Don't make me take my pants off. You feel alive yet?
Severe warn. At least we got into the only severe thunderstorm warning of the day. Don't worry, guys. I'll carry the weight of Ohio on my shoulders. Yo, check out that storm hitting to Vandalia. Tornado warn.
The one we're on?
Correct. North of us.
Alright, copy. Right Patterson Air Force Base at the path.
Flying to those caught without shelter.
We gotta get news! Well, we have a list of pools in front of us. Let's fucking go! Look at it! Look at it! Tip City, bitch! Tip City, bitch! Do you want to book flights and go to Tip City and then get on this other road, or do you want to get on 40 in Vandalia?
Just cross the line into the kill box.
It's going to be right ahead of us. We need to get around this idiot pool because it's going to cross the highway probably in front of us.
Alright, this is what the inside looks like.
It's like right on top of us.
Pounded in here!